tutorial 8, I'm going to show you how you will allocate your transactions that you've now imported and split into your cash books. You will select per transaction the specific account that you want to allocate that transaction to. So for example, the first transaction on this list we can allocate to bank charges, and then you need to select a VAT category. If you're not registered for VAT, I will cover that in the tutorials also. There is a tool within the cash book to help you on which VAT category to select, and that tool is in worksheet B of the cash book. So let's left click on worksheet B to show you how the tool works that can help you select the VAT category. For that particular expense that we've now allocated to bank charges, you will see in column B there's a VAT category next to it that says EXP N and V. What you need to do then is you need to refer to the index for VAT category, find the EXP N and V, which then refers to the VAT category expense VATable or expense no VAT. So bank charges, for example, that we've now allocated in our A worksheet, we have a choice between selecting expense VATable or expense no VAT. So if you aren't registered for VAT, you will then select expense no VAT. And if you are registered for VAT and your bank has charged you VAT on those bank charges, you will then select expense VATable. And if you do select expense VATable, it will calculate the VAT for you automatically. If you select the incorrect VAT category by accident, for example, let's select sales VATable on bank charges, it will immediately alert you that you've made a mistake. Because this cell here, as you can see on the left hand side, says it must be nil. And if you make a mistake, it will highlight for you that you have done so. Once we correct that VAT category, that amount will then revert back to nil. If you do select expense no VAT by accident, however, it will not alert you that you've made a mistake, because you do have the choice between selecting expense no VAT or expense VATable on bank charges. So just be careful of that. I'm just going to select expense VATable here. Just quickly go back to the B worksheet to show you that every single account does indicate to you what VAT category you need to select per account that you're going to allocate to. Please be careful, however, that if you have edited your COA, your chart of accounts, for example, if you change the depreciation account to a different type of expense, then this VAT category index is not going to apply. So be sure that when you want to use the VAT category tool, that you use it in the template file that you get with the product, and not with the one that you've updated for your specific business. By allocating that transaction now in the cash book, it will automatically update your summary of income and expenses in the B worksheet. There lies the bank charges. That's automated. When you allocate in the cash book, it will automatically update your VAT summary that you will use to complete your VAT return, and it will automatically update the income statement. If we open up the income statement now, it will also automatically have updated the income statement in the August column, and we can open up the balance sheet file, and it will automatically have updated your trial balance, your balance sheet, and your cash flow statement. Whenever you open up the income statement and balance sheet files, you please need to save them before you close them. And it's as simple as that. You will just continue to allocate the transactions for all your cash books as I've just shown you. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you need to deal with interbank transfers. So if you've transferred money from one bank account to another bank account that is represented in the cash books in the A worksheet, how you will handle the allocation of those transactions. I'll speak to you then.